In this video, I will walk you through on how to stop apps from updating automatically from the Microsoft Store. Okay, maybe that is consuming your mobile data. All right, this video walks you through on how to stop that so that you can update some apps at your will. All right, let's just get right into it. All right, the first thing you have to do is to launch your Microsoft Store. Okay, here I'm using Windows 11, so it's pinned here by default. But if you can't find yours here, click on this stats. Okay, click here and type in Microsoft Store. All right, it will show up. Select it for it to open. Once the app opens, you will have an interface that looks like this. Locate your profile. You can see here, this is my profile. Okay, your own may not have a profile picture. Maybe it has some letters that makes up your first name and last name. So click on it. Once you click on it, you see some options. Select settings. Once you're on this settings page, our interest is on app updates. Okay, so you can see automatically download and install app updates. Updates for system components are controlled by Windows Update, no problem. We are not interested in Windows component but apps. So what you need to do is to take your cursor here and click on this. Once you click on this, it will ask you pause duration. Select the duration you want the update to stop. Click this drop down. Maybe you want to pause for 1 week or 5 weeks or 4 weeks. Just select the duration and click on confirm. And you're good. Apps will not update automatically again, so you close this window. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment if you have something to say in the comment section. Check out this video to learn more on Windows 11. Thank you and see you some other time.